back with our events today. We have a open house today at the Firehouse Event Center over in Peoria. Really excited to do another open house with them. We do love doing these open houses, so definitely stay tuned for that. We are getting ready to pack, getting things in order. The garage is a little bit of a mess because we have sister moving out, getting her furniture. Good thing we have this other garage, right? So we have balloons going in. Not really much, but yeah, can't wait. And also, of course, our second type of vehicle. I really just wanted to get it so then we can pack these balloons. I actually might blow up some more just so we have a lot for today. But this and this is gonna go into there. I even asked them for a smaller one, but they were like, no, we don't have it. So this pink guy is gonna go in here, this ladder, probably our wagons. Lots of things going on. So stay tuned. Probably pack the other ladder there. Stay tuned for what we have going on. Lots of balloon magic. This one too, actually. You can kind of see what all we have. Quickly put on some makeup, have myself all ready. The key to getting ready for events or doing events is just to be completely ready by the time you get there, and then all I have to do is really just change my shoes there. But I made this charcuterie board last night and look how yummy. It's gonna be so good, but I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't fall or slip or gets taken care of. About to leave. We have about a 40-minute drive out, so I'm gonna leave a little early just to make sure that everything kind of gets taken care of. I always feel like I am forgetting something whenever I leave for these events, so it's super key to just overpack versus underpacking, so can't wait.